These are awesome. So they have the feel and the taste of a candy bar, but they are packed with protein. Marshmallow protein bars are all the rage right now. And today we're gonna be trying to make them at home. We came across a video on TikTok and this person made some at home and they look really good and they look semi-easy. And candy bars and us on this channel, it doesn't always work out too well. So if we can make these at home, you should have total confidence that you can as well. So the creator of this recipe, her name is Bella. We're gonna be leaving her TikTok account linked in the description below if you wanna check it out. This is pretty much keto. It's low carb. It has a lot of ingredients in it that I think that many of you are gonna have at home. So I do believe that you do need to use a whey-based protein powder for these bars. I don't know if any other kind of protein powder is gonna work. We have this one, this is the Premier Protein chocolate one, and we also have this Isopure creamy vanilla, but we're gonna go with the chocolate today just to kind of change it up. You're gonna be needing almond milk, but you could use regular milk, but that has higher carbs. You're gonna be needing gelatin. I just bought this huge thing of gelatin because you're gonna be needing about 4 tablespoons of gelatin to turn this into a marshmallow-like consistency. She uses monk fruit in her recipe. We're gonna be using confectioners swerve because that's what we have on hand. It should work the same. I would steer away from using the granular swerve. It might not break down properly. So we're gonna be using confectioners. And then you're gonna be needing like your favorite keto-friendly chocolate chips so that you can melt and decorate your bars. We're gonna be using Lily's, but Choc Zero works great. White chocolate, you can use peanut butter. She does add peanut butter into hers at the end. But yeah, it seems pretty simple. It does take time though. And Sarah and I did make marshmallows on this channel and it was a complete and utter failure.
So we're hoping this works out.
We wanna redeem ourselves in this video.
Buying marshmallows again.
Right. I need to make my lunch. And speaking of lunch, you guys know that Sarah and I cook so much for this channel that the last thing that we want to do when we get home is cook another meal. And that is why we absolutely love this video's sponsor, Factor. Sarah and I have been customers of Factor for years and we absolutely love their meals. They are a total game changer. If you're on a keto lifestyle like we are, we definitely know how difficult it can be to stay on track, and that is where Factor comes in. Factor makes it easy with chef-prepared keto meals that are ready in just 2 minutes. No prep, no cleanup, just delicious food that aligns with your goals. And Factor recently doubled their weekly menu to over 80 rotating meals, which is great if you live with someone who doesn't eat the way that you do. Our husbands are not keto all the time, so they pick the meals that they want, and we stick with keto meals, and it works out perfectly. They've also added more protein options, including turkey, shredded beef, and meatballs. And now you can even swap out proteins in some meals at no extra cost. Sarah and I love having Factor meals in our fridge. It keeps us from ordering takeout and keeps us consistent on our busiest days. My current favorite is the Colano cream pork chop, and Sarah's is the blackened salmon. So head to factor75.com or click the link in our description and use code TWINSKETOFB50 and you're gonna get 50% off of your first box plus free breakfast for 1 year. That's code TWINSKETOFB50 at factor75.com and you're gonna get 50% off of your first box plus free breakfast for 1 year. So first up, we're going to boil or bring up to temperature 2 cups of almond milk. Okay, so our almond milk is starting to get really hot. We're gonna put in our gelatin. We're gonna whisk that together until it's fully dissolved. It's a lot of gelatin, holy moly. I think it's just gonna naturally melt, you know? So.
I feel like last time that's where we messed up. We didn't melt the gelatin. It was just like cold.
Okay, next up we're gonna pour this into our middle bowl. You should probably use a stand mixer if you have it. We don't have one.
We should buy one.
Yeah. It's more so that we don't have the room. Oh, we're
bogging the camera?
bogging the camera.
Okay, ingoing what?
Ingoing our chocolate protein powder. A sweetener, we've doubled the sweetener. This is 4 tablespoons.
1 serving of collagen.
Yeah, we want 1 serving of collagen.
Smells good. It smells like chocolate milk.
Right. Okay, and then some vanilla. We put a lot of vanilla in there just because we really want it to be flavored. We're gonna beat this for at least 10 minutes. It might take a little longer because we're using the hand mixer. I think it's supposed to cool and then it's gonna start incorporating air and get marshmallowy. That's the hope anyway, in theory. I don't see anything happening yet.
I mean, I think it's thicker, but Emily wants to switch to the whisk, which I guess is what you're supposed to be using.
Because maybe we're beating out the air.
I guess. But maybe I only have one, so.
It is getting there, I think. So maybe 5 more minutes. So it's possible with the hand mixer, it's gonna take longer. Less power. Okay, so some people's, theirs turned out way like more set. There is no more to be done here. Like we've been doing this for about 5 or 10 more minutes just to try to see, but we have seen other people just kind of pour it in as is and it works out. So hopefully it'll all even out in the end, because if not, we're just gonna empty out all of this and we're gonna stick it in the freezer. All right, into the freezer. Okay, bye-bye.
Be something.
It has been 1 hour since we put our marshmallow, whatever it's called, into the freezer. Let's check it out. Oh my, it's solid. Look at, oh, I'm so excited. I feel successful. For our topping, we're just gonna go with some milk chocolate chips that we're putting about a tablespoon of coconut oil to make it glossy and easy to work with.
They're keto friendly.
Right.
Lily's.
Lily's or Chalk Zero works great. We're gonna mix it 30 seconds at a time.
Take your time, you don't want these to burn.
Not ready yet, but we'll just gotta move everything around so it doesn't burn.
Back in for 30?
Yes. 30 more seconds. All right, while that is doing that, we're gonna unveil it. So cute. It doesn't look as like dark as I would expect it for it to be chocolate. You know, maybe if you wanted more chocolate flavor, you could put unsweetened cocoa powder in there, a little bit more sweetener. But this is like the first time that we're trying this and the first time that we've actually had something solid come out. I think that we didn't give it enough time last time and we didn't add enough gelatin. Right.
So about 60 seconds and that's perfect.
So,
yeah, I would cut it in half and cut it in half.
Ooh.
Don't, ooh. How is that feeling?
Fine.
Okay. No. Cut it.
This way?
Yeah, I don't want them too long. I know that it's like, I want them to be like dippable. It's a lot. Bars. Make them a reasonable size.
Like that?
Yeah, like maybe 3 each quadrant.
We have a, like a soul mat on top of a plate. We're gonna be sticking this back in the fridge because remember, this is not tempered or anything.
You wanna let them harden up.
Right.
In the chocolate, kind of roll it around.
How do I?
I know, I think you're just gonna get your hands dirty, unfortunately.
It's not good. Help! I don't know. Maybe we need to paint it. She did paint hers.
Oh, okay.
I think it's not really easy to do. We're looking for that factory finish because we need to be able to put these in our Etsy store.
Yeah.
I'll just do one.
Yeah, I would try to coat as much as you can by dipping it and then finish it with the brush.
You need a touch, an artist's touch.
Oh, okay. You missed the whole other side.
There's no easy way to do this, folks.
Why don't you end this misery?
We're going to chocolate these up. We're gonna stick them back in the freezer so they harden. We're gonna go downstairs, we're gonna try them. Yay! We have something.
Are they heavy? I haven't picked one up
yet. Yeah, they're kind of heavy.
And I think you could have gone smaller, maybe to have them.
Right. Hello? Hello?
Okay. So it's definitely marshmallow-like, I think. Spongy. Really good. I think the flaky salt adds a lot here. Kind of melts in your mouth.
I feel like it's not like as tough as a regular marshmallow. It's like melting in my mouth, which is really nice. It's really good.
It's not like sticking to my teeth or anything.
Right.
Yeah.
These are awesome. I wonder what other flavors we could make.
I have some ideas. White chocolate covered ones too. Why not?
Peanut butter, strawberry,
Lemon. I don't know.
lemon. Yeah,
A lemon white chocolate one.
Yeah. Wow.
Super good. Yeah, and they were easier than we thought. It did take a while. Maybe if we had a stand mixer.
I think it's time that we just buy a stand mixer. I'm sick of this. You know, a lot of times we don't want to add a stand mixer in the mix because I know a lot of people don't have one.
Right.
So we kind of want to prove, hey, we did it without one, so can you?
Right. I think that with this type of chocolate, since it's not tempered, it's going to melt when you touch it. It's just how it is. Maybe you guys know if we can temper keto-friendly chocolate. So.
And if you guys don't have the collagen, you know, because we put collagen powder in it, you don't need to use collagen. You could add more whey protein powder. Like I said, though, I don't think this works without whey.
It won't work with like a vegan protein powder.
It has to be whey-based protein powder.
I think a lot of creators said that.
Make them. You can store them in a bag and keep them in the fridge for who knows how long. Amazing. So good. Versatile. Tons of opportunity to try. Let us know if you try it in the comment section below. And YouTube seems to think that you're going to like this video here, so why don't you click on it and we will see you over there. Anyway, I'm Emily.
And I'm Sarah. And
we're the Keto signing out.
You should eat that one. The one that you touched.
Now I'm full.